Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the English Chinese program on Đồng Nai Province Essential TV channel. On March 12, at the government headquarters, Deputy Prime Minister Trần Hồng Hà chaired a meeting of National Committee on the Elderly of Vietnam. At the meeting, Deputy Prime Minister requested that there should be a broader vision of life, health, and social issues for the elderly. Currently, the country has about 16.1 million elderly people. The work of protecting and caring for the elderly has achieved many practical results. However, social assistance policies for the elderly are still limited. The Deputy Prime Minister requested ministries, industries, and localities of the Vietnam Association of the Elderly to urgently summarize and update the contents of Resolution 42 on continuing to innovate and improve the quality of social policy. Submit to the Politburo for promulgation a resolution on the elderly in the new situation. At the meeting, leaders of ministries, industries, and localities exchanged and discussed difficulties and obstacles in determining the purpose of use for the land area reserved for the construction of elderly care centers and facilities, promoting geriatric health network, supporting the elderly. On March 12, Secretary of the Nam Provincial Party Committee Nguyễn Hồng Lĩnh worked with the Party Committee of Xuân Tân Ward, Long Khánh City on party building. Mr. Nguyễn Hồng Lĩnh said that provincial leaders wanted to listen to reports on the implementation of resolution on party building work and result of socio-economic development work of the Party Committees of Xuân Tân Ward. The Secretary of the Provincial Party Committee Nguyễn Hồng Lĩnh emphasized that in addition to the achieved results and difficulties, the delegation also wanted to listen to the proposal of the Party Committee of Xuân Tân Ward for party building in general, especially issues related to direction of upcoming Congress. According to the report of the Party Committee of Xuân Tân Ward, the results of the performance of the party tasks in each field have made much progress. Comparing with Resolution Number 6 dated August 21, 2021, our Standing Committee of the Party Committee of the World has led the fulfillment of all 57 criteria. At the meeting, members of the delegation deeply assessed the results achieved by the Party Committee of Xuân Tân Ward and pointed out limitations that need to be overcome. On March 13, Island Chairman of Provincial People's Committee Võ Tấn Đức, Chairman of Emulation and Commendation Council of Đồng Nai Province, met with council members to evaluate the council performance in 2023 and deploy the tasks and objectives of the council in 2024. At the meeting, members discussed in depth the contents related to consolidation of Provincial Merit Emulation Council, development of operation regulations, as well as the assignment of council members and the implementation of key work contents in 2024. In his speech at a meeting, Mr. Võ Tấn Đức requested the Standing Committee of the Council to collect the opinions of the participants to finalize the report on the evaluation of the Council activities in 2023 and the orientation for activities in 2024. In the immediate future, prepare well the conditions for closing ceremony of the Patriotic Emulation Movement in 2023, sign the Emulation Covenant, and honor advanced model of Đồng Nai Province in 2024. The State Bank of Vietnam recently offered to sell treasury bills with a term of 28 days according to a method of interest rate bidding and unit price bidding. Currently, 6 members won the bid out of a total of 18 members participating in the bid, with the winning bid volume being nearly 15 trillion dong. The winning interest rate is 1.4% per year. The treasury bills will mature on April 8, 2024. This is the resumption of the offering of bills after more than 4 months the State Bank of Vietnam suspending this activity and taking place in the context of rising exchange rates in recent weeks. System liquidity is somewhat abundant again when credit growth is low. According to economic experts, the resumption of treasury bill issuance indicates that central banks' intention to absorb excess liquidity from the system and is likely to raise VND interest rates on the interbank market. This will support the stability of USD over VND exchange rate, which is currently under pressure. According to Resolution 34 of the Provincial People's Council stipulating the support regime for healthcare workforce in Nong Nai Province in the period of 2023-2025, from January 1st, 2023, about 9,000 health workers in Nong Nai began to receive support. After more than a year of implementation, the resolution has brought about significant changes in the healthcare sector. Human resources are stable. Departments and rooms return to operation at maximum capacity. Medical staff are cited are the most obvious effects that Resolution 34 has brought since it came into force. Dr. Nguyen Si said, since Resolution 4 came into force, everyone in the departments was very excited. Human resources were supplemented with 3 technicians and 1 doctor. Dr. Trịnh Việt Bắc said, since the Resolution 34 was enforced, manpower of doctors and nurses have been stable, and the recruitment of new people with a sufficient human resource. Everyone's spirit also feels secure. Nong Nai Thống Nhất General Hospital is the public hospital ranked first in the province, also the place where medical staff quit the most in the province after the COVID-19 pandemic. However, less than 1 year after Resolution 34 came into force, the hospital has stabilized its staff, separating general departments that previously could not operate independently because of lack of human resources. The unit is also getting ready for the establishment of new disease departments. Thanks to stabilizing human resources, from 2023 to now, the hospital has developed many new and intensive techniques to best serve patients. Dr. Phạm Văn Dũng said, we will be determined to perform and work responsibly to have good doctors, good nurses, and put the medical specialties into operation to serve the people. Recently, at a meeting with the Department of Health, Vice Chairman of Provincial People's Committee, Nguyễn Xuân Hùng, asked the Department of Health to propose more solutions to continue supporting the development of health sector.